Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the new Styletone box of September this time. I've got it right here. I took the liberty, so this is what it looks like. I took the liberty of opening up the pack because it always takes me a really long as while. And I don't really feel like you guys should wait for that. So I already opened it up. This is what the box looks like. But before we get unboxing, because I'm sure there's going to be something that I'm going to give away in a giveaway, and I just want to remind you guys to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and after that immediately a brand new giveaway will start, and you guys can help me out by making sure that all of your friends and family subscribe to my channel. Okay, now let's get unboxing. In the box we've got two of the same cards, and honestly I don't really use these, so they're kind of wasted on me. You get what you work for, but it always says Styletone. It's like these postcards, but it's kind of commercializing this brand. I like postcards and all that, sending them out for special occasions, but I don't like it when it's like a firm or something, you know, that's kind of really on that card. So that is not for me. Where is my booklet? Oh, my booklet is, there we go. Okay, my booklet is right over here. So let me place the booklet here so I can see it. Now whoa, there is something coming out of this box. The first thing in here is We Are Kind Natured, the brand with the big heart. And this is a relaxing body wash, 97% natural, and it's vegan friendly. It's got no sulfates, parabens, or petrochemicals. This is what it looks like, and it's always good to have a nice shower gel. Of course, this is going to be a full size because it's huge. Yeah, it's over here. So the Kind Natured Relaxing Body Wash is worth €6. Moving on to, what's this? Nire 113, the Multitasker Limited Edition. Oh, it's a double-ended brush. Am I right? Yeah, I'm right. Okay, pretty cool. So we've got a double-ended brush from, like I said, Nire, still don't know how to pronounce this brand, number 113. So one end looks like this, basically a blending brush, while the other end looks like this. I use these kinds of brushes for my concealer or glitter. Like today I'm wearing glitter, so I did it with this kind of a brush. Very interesting, very cool. So the Multitasker brush is worth €20. Okay, moving on to Bella Pierre Cosmetics Brown Eyed Girl eyeshadow palette. Okay, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. And brown, now is the time for brown. It's fall. Oh, no. Mine is broken. No. I wanted to say if I'm not going to use it, I'm going to give it away, but I'm not going to give it away now. Whoa. Okay, don't get it on my clothes because I got a birthday today where I need to be. Shoot. Okay. Hopefully you guys are able to see that. I don't want to tip it too far, but this is what it looks like. And this color, this glitter, looks so freaking gorgeous. You know what I'm going to do? I have the Moon... what is it called? The Moon Mousse, I think it's called. But basically, if a shadow is broken, I can fix it. So I'm gonna do that. If y'all don't mind, I'm gonna place it gently down here. That's what this stuff was in the box. Now I understand what that was, and I need to be careful not to get it on my jacket or something because my sister's birthday is today. I'm gonna go, and I don't want to get my jacket all dirty before I'm even there. Okay, so the Bella Pierre Brown Eyed Girl palette, really cool palette by the way, is €28.99. That's $30 for only 4 eyeshadows. I'm just gonna call it. That is a ridiculously high-priced item for Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I will of course give it a try, but I'm already going to say don't spend your money. $30 on that. Excuse me, I'd rather buy eyeshadows from MAC for that price. Like, I'm not going to lie. Okay, moving on to Olay's. Actually, it's called Olay. This is for your eyes. It's the Collagen Peptide 24 Eye Cream. It does, I'm like... Am I going to give this to my mom? You know what? Sorry, Mom. I'm going to keep this for myself. My mom loves Olay, but she does have like this standard that she uses. So she doesn't really get rid of her standard. Like, that is the stuff that she likes, and it's the only stuff that she'll like and use. So I'm gonna keep this one for myself, and if I don't like it, then I can always give it to her. Okay, so this is what that cream looks like. Very eager to try it out. I really enjoy these Olay products that we always get in here. So the Olay Collagen Peptide 24 Eye Cream is worth a whopping 31 euros and 49 cents. It is ridiculous how high the prices of these Olay items are getting when they got rid of their old Olay items, which were hella more affordable, and they actually worked. And I'm just going to put it out there, most of these expensive Olay products, for me personally and for my mom actually as well, and she's been using it for over 30 years, guys, they actually don't work, yet they're so expensive when the old and cheap items actually worked. So Olay, the hell you doing? Okay, moving on to Polyakumine. Okay, this is the clarifiant shampoo. Again, in this stupid bottle. I don't like these bottles because I can't really get the shampoo out of here. So this is what it looks like. I know the booklet always says, oh, a handy bottle, but in my opinion, this bottle is not handy. Okay, the Polyakumine shampoo is worth 12 euros. Okay, moving on to, oh yeah, this smells so freaking good. I wanted to say something in this box smells really good, but this is the Extra Kind Shave Bar. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. Handmade cold process bar with coconut oil. It's vegan. It is orange blossom, 0% sulfates. That is pretty cool. Wow, it's in French and I have no idea how to pronounce this, so I'm just going to show you guys. This is what it looks like, and of course I'm going to get it out and see what the bar actually looks like. It's really cool. This is a shave bar because I don't really have that much stuff for shaving purposes. Wow. It really does look like these old French soap bars. For the people that live in Europe, and especially for the people who live in France, y'all know what I'm talking about, and in Holland as well. What were they called? I can't, wow, it's actually melting in my hand. I'm going to place it back because my hands are going to be shampooey, but it smells so freaking good. I'm very happy with this. Okay, so the Ballad and Provence, I'm just going to say it like that. I'm butchering the French completely, I know. Shaving soap is worth 8 euros. Moving on to Estate Lip Thirst. Lip Thirst in Pink Pony. Okay, as long as it's not like a liquid lipstick, I'm gonna be fine. Okay, I butchered the box. As y'all know, for the people who follow me, y'all know me and boxes do not match. Whoa, okay. Very nice, like, tube. I love it. This is what that looks like. And it says, I think I saw something in the book, because I don't think it's an actual lipstick. I'm not going to swatch it just yet, because like I said, I'm going to a birthday straight after this. Estate Cosmetic Lip Thirst lipstick is worth 12 bucks. Yeah, it is a lipstick. I don't know, because it doesn't really look like a lipstick in here. It looks more like a tint or something, but not an actual stick. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. Okay, moving on to Catchy Eyes mascara from Gosh. Wow, it has been a long ass while since I've heard anything from Gosh. This is pretty cool. Okay. There we go, opening it up. This is what the little mascara looks like, purple and black. And this is, ooh, this is what that wand looks like. Can't wait to try it out. Okay, Gosh Copenhagen Catchy Eyes Mascara is worth 10 euros and 95 cents. And then the last item in here, and then I'm gonna place the box there, is Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner from the Beauty Crop, and we already received this sucker in another box. So what I'm gonna do with this fella is I'm gonna actually give this to my sister, but not today for her birthday because I already gave her presents and I have another present today. I'm gonna keep this for Sinterklaas and I'm gonna give this as like a little extra gift for her. Okay, so the Beauty Crop eyeliner is worth €8, and I know my sister is going to be really happy with this because she loves them llamas. Guys, that is it for this month's box. I think we didn't receive a lot of items this time. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. Okay, but I will say that I did really enjoy this box. It's a solid box. As y'all know, it's my favorite box as well. Too bad for the eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna fix it and I'm gonna try it out. Maybe it will be nice, since we've got a lot of boxes now, to do like a full face, well, almost a full face. I didn't get a foundation, but to do like a face, you know, like a get ready with me or something with these products, for me to try them out first. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like that kind of a thing. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I'll see you guys in the next unboxing. And the box is already there, which is the goodie box. Bye, guys.